Good. Just figuring out what's going on. We gotta do 2 estimates, 2 in-home design consultations, and then we still got a project going on at the client's house that they're still painting. And then there's also the school project. They made some changes, so we were waiting for approval. It's looking good.
Getting back at it.
Yes.
1 y casi 1:30, y esto aquí hay mucho. So yo digo, aquí hay por lo menos 2:30. No, we're just so we're ordering some lumber right now for 2 jobs that are coming up. So we're just seeing our inventory now, so we can order based on our inventory. So instead of ordering extra stuff, we just kind of see what we got, and then we'll minus of what we need for the job based on what we have here. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
You found it? You found it, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Did you take it to go get cleaned? Mm-hmm. That's why I couldn't find it.
No, I found it.
Where was it at?
The place that I told you that it was. It was in the safe.
It was in the safe?
Yeah.
Dale, jefe, te voy ya mismo.
Dale. Baja con los listones.
We're kind of just trying to get an idea of how, you know, there's several things that we're kind of thinking about, but we're not really sure, you know, how it's going to work out or whatever, but just getting an idea of things. Something like that on that wall there. Okay. So that's our biggest focus. But there were other things that we were thinking of, like we didn't know if we could do something like that in that space. And here,
Right in this little bumpy?
alcove kind of, it's not real deep, but so.
If it was like custom made, it would look nice, but if it was like store bought, they're usually standard, so they're massive.
Yeah, they kind of did their own. They kind of built their own thing there, so.
So we can make it. We can make it not so deep. So that
That's what.
Yeah, just something that we have like an extra like hanging storage kind of thing. Yeah.
It could even be like 15 inches deep.
And that's perfect because we
At least you would still have. Yeah.
So we just got done with this in-home estimate. We got some really good ideas from her, as well as we provided some really good ideas. Veronica will go back to the drawing board, and
We'll come up with some ideas for her, put it all together, and then she'll let us know which one she likes, and then we'll work on a quote for her.
she's got a 99% closing rate, man.
When we come together, we close most of them.
More than most.
Yeah, I would say pretty much all of them we do.
So we just wrapped up our in-home estimate. We're gonna be doing some barn doors for a bar area that they have there, and Veronica will do her magic, and then we'll go from there. What's up, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, Flippin family. Today we're back at Meredith's place. We just did a nice little chair rail if you want to take and show everybody. So we've been installing this for the last 2 days. Yesterday we were done putting everything on the wall. So today we're just doing a lot of detail, you know, making sure that every little hole from the brand nail is taken care of, paint, so we can make it look as sharp as we possibly can. So I'll show you a little bit more of the stuff that we've done here. So as you can see this here. We did this little functional cabinet for them, as well as we did a towel rack holder. And then we finished the kids' play area. This is the kids' room. A while back. So we're just trying to get everything together, make sure that everything's done. So these are pretty functional. These are barn doors. So they slide over to close them, and then you can slide over to get to the other side of the unit, which is pretty cool. And then we also brought the barn door slide mechanism down here so we can make the whole entire room kind of flow together. So that's what we got today. So stick around. So we're sanding, prepping before we start painting. Once we're done painting, we gotta do a drop off, and then that's it for the day. Hopefully we can finish this today. If not, then we'll be back here tomorrow to try to finish her off. If you like our content and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, like, share. Share it is caring. We will highly appreciate it.